Hi creators, welcome to our channel. If you have upgraded your WordPress website to PHP 8 or 8.1, you may experience problem and see fatal error message like array and string offset access type. This may be due to a plugin that is based on earlier versions of PHP, say 7.4 or 7.3, etc. The real reason for such fatal error message is that in the PHP version 8 or 8.1, support for deprecated curly braces for offset access has been removed. So, any active plugin on your WordPress site that uses the deprecate curly braces will produce errors that look like PHP fatal error. Array and string offset access syntax with curly braces is no longer supported in. If you are experiencing such fatal error, don't worry. It is easy to solve. Just replace the curly braces with the square brackets. That's it. After reloading the page, you can see that our problems are resolved. Isn't it great? So, thank you so much for watching this video. If you think this video is valuable, subscribe to our channel for more videos related to PHP errors solving tutorials.